Welcome, friends. Today, we're going to focus specifically on mastering the art of money manifestation. Yes, attracting financial abundance isn't as mysterious as it may seem. It's a skill, and once you learn how to harness it, you'll begin to see money flow into your life in ways you may not have thought possible. Now, let's get straight into it. The first thing I want you to understand is this: your mindset is everything when it comes to manifesting money. A lot of us have been taught to believe that wealth is something that only a few people can access, or that money is scarce. These beliefs, whether you realize it or not, are blocking you from attracting the abundance you want. The key to changing that is understanding one simple truth: money is energy. Just like everything else in the universe, money is a form of energy that flows where attention goes. When you start to view money not as something limited, but as an abundant force that can flow freely to you, things begin to shift. To start, you must first believe you are worthy of receiving. The first block for many people is feeling undeserving of wealth. I want you to know right now that you are deserving. Money doesn't judge you. It doesn't care what your past looks like or how much you have right now. The only thing that matters is how you choose to think and feel about it moving forward. And you can start by simply acknowledging your worthiness. Now, let's talk about the importance of gratitude in money manifestation. Gratitude is one of the most powerful energies you can emit. The more you express gratitude for the money you currently have, no matter how small the amount, the more you invite greater abundance into your life. If you're always focusing on what you don't have, you're sending out the message that there is lack in your life. But when you focus on the abundance you already have, you begin to attract more of it. So take a moment each day to feel thankful for everything you already have. Even if it's just a roof over your head, food to eat, or the people you love. This feeling of gratitude helps align you with the vibration of abundance. Another important piece of the puzzle is your beliefs about money. We've all heard phrases like, money doesn't grow on trees, or the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. These sayings, while common, carry a certain energy of limitation. But in truth, money can come to you in unlimited ways. The universe is abundant, and so is the flow of money. The trick is to stop thinking that money is hard to come by. Instead, think of money as something that can come to you easily, effortlessly, and frequently. The more you shift your mindset to one of abundance, the more opportunities will show up in your life. For example, instead of thinking, I can't afford this, try thinking, I will find a way to make this happen. This small shift in thinking opens up your mind to the many opportunities around you. You'll start to see the possibilities that were always there, but you couldn't recognize them before because your mind was focused on lack. Manifesting money also requires that you take inspired action. Now, that doesn't mean working yourself to the bone or forcing things to happen. Inspired action is action that feels right and aligned with your purpose. It's about listening to your intuition and following the steps that feel good. Sometimes, that might mean seeking new opportunities, whether it's a new job, a side hustle, or simply investing in something that will help you grow. But inspired action could also be something simple, like learning more about personal finance, or decluttering your space. Anything that aligns with the goal of improving your relationship with money and wealth is considered inspired action. A big part of mastering money manifestation is setting clear intentions. When you set a goal without a clear intention behind it, it's much harder to manifest it. If you say, I want to be rich, but you don't have a clear vision of what that would look like, it's harder for the universe to bring it to you. However, if you say, I am attracting $10,000 within the next 3 months, and I will use it to pay off debt and invest in my business, now you're speaking with clarity. The key here is to be specific about what you want and why you want it. When your intentions are clear, your actions become clearer too. And the universe can support you with your vision. Visualization is another powerful tool in money manifestation. Take time every day to visualize yourself living the life you desire. Picture yourself with the amount of money you want. See yourself paying off bills, going on vacations, living comfortably without worrying about money. Feel the emotions that would come with this abundance. When you really feel the joy and relief of having financial freedom, you align yourself with that energy, and you start to draw it into your life. One of the most important things to remember is that the universe responds to the energy you put out. So if you're constantly in a state of worry or fear about money, that's what the universe will reflect back to you. But if you're able to relax into the process, and trust that everything you need is on its way, you'll start to notice a shift. It's also important to be patient. Manifesting money doesn't always happen overnight. It takes time for things to fall into place, but that's okay. The process of attracting abundance is not about forcing things to happen. It's about trusting that they will happen. As you continue to focus on your desires, stay aligned with positive feelings, and take inspired action, you'll start to see your financial situation shift. Sometimes, money can show up in the most unexpected ways. It might come from a source you didn't expect, or it might come more gradually, but the important thing is that it's coming. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring you everything you need. And as you open yourself up to receiving, more and more will flow into your life. Another powerful tool in manifesting money is affirmations. Affirmations are simple, positive statements that reinforce the belief in your ability to manifest the wealth you desire. Some of the most powerful affirmations for money manifestation include: I am worthy of wealth and abundance, money flows to me easily and effortlessly, and I attract wealth and opportunities every day. Repeat these affirmations regularly, and believe in their power. I want to remind you that everything you need is already within you. The ability to attract financial abundance isn't something you need to search for outside of yourself. It's about tuning into your inner power, aligning your thoughts with abundance, and taking the right actions. As you master the art of money manifestation, you'll find that your relationship with money shifts. No longer will it feel out of reach. Instead, it will feel like a natural part of your life. If you want to see significant changes in your financial situation, start by changing your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions. The more you practice these techniques, the more you'll see the universe respond. Trust in the process, and know that you are deserving of the wealth and abundance that is coming your way. Remember, money is just a form of energy, and when you align yourself with it, you become a magnet for financial abundance. So, start today. Shift your mindset, focus on gratitude, set clear intentions, take inspired action, and trust that everything you need will come to you. You have the power to manifest the financial abundance you desire. Stay focused, stay positive, and most importantly, stay aligned with your goals. Everything you desire is within reach. All you have to do is believe and take the right actions. Taking inspired action is crucial in the process of money manifestation. While it's important to align your energy and focus on your desires, it's equally important to back up your intentions with tangible actions. This could mean seeking out new opportunities, networking with people in your industry, or investing in yourself by taking courses or learning new skills. Inspired action is about following your intuition and doing what feels right, rather than focusing on a specific outcome. When you take action with a genuine desire to learn and grow, you naturally attract opportunities and people who can help you achieve your goals. Letting go of the need for control is another key aspect of manifesting money. Sometimes we become so focused on the how of attracting money that we forget to trust the process. While it's important to set clear intentions and take action, it's equally important to surrender the need to know every detail of how your desires will be fulfilled. The universe has its own timing, and often, things come together in ways we could never have predicted. By letting go of the need for control and trusting that the universe is supporting you, you create space for miracles to happen. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this content helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips on manifesting abundance in all areas of your life. Your support means the world to me, and it helps us to reach even more people with this valuable information. Until next time, keep believing in the power of your own ability to create the life you desire. You have the power within you to manifest financial abundance and create the life of your dreams. Believe it, take action, and watch as the universe responds to your intentions.